In the sunny, desert climate of Mesa, Arizona, where temperatures can easily reach triple digits during the summer, choosing the right type of windows is critical for maintaining a comfortable home environment. One of the best options for Mesa homeowners is aluminum windows. Known for their durability, energy efficiency, and modern aesthetic, aluminum windows offer a range of benefits that make them an excellent choice for homes in Mesa. Whether you're looking to upgrade your windows for better performance or enhance your home's design, here are the top benefits of aluminum window installation for Mesa homes. Superior durability in extreme weather. Mesa's harsh desert climate requires windows that can withstand high temperatures, intense sunlight, and occasional storms. Aluminum windows are highly durable and resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, even when exposed to prolonged heat and UV rays. Unlike wood, which can rot or swell, or vinyl, which may deteriorate under extreme conditions, aluminum remains strong and maintains its structural integrity over time. In addition, aluminum frames are corrosion resistant, which is especially important in areas like Mesa, where dust and occasional rain can cause damage to less durable materials. By installing aluminum windows, Mesa homeowners can enjoy windows that stand up to the elements and require less maintenance than other window types. Energy efficiency. For lower utility bills. Energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners in Mesa, where air conditioning is a must for much of the year. Aluminum windows can be paired with energy-efficient glass options to significantly improve your home's insulation, helping to keep your indoor spaces cooler during the summer and warmer during the winter. Many aluminum windows come with thermal breaks, insulating materials between the inner and outer window frames, that prevent heat transfer and help regulate indoor temperatures. In combination with double or triple pane glass and low-E coatings, aluminum windows can reduce the amount of heat entering your home. This means your air conditioning system won't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, resulting in lower energy bills. Slim, sleek design. For modern aesthetics. Aluminum windows are a popular choice for homeowners looking to achieve a modern, minimalist look. Thanks to the strength of aluminum, the frames can be made slimmer than those of other materials, allowing for larger panes of glass. This design provides a clean, streamlined appearance that complements both contemporary and traditional home styles. The slim frames of aluminum windows maximize the amount of natural light that enters your home, creating bright, open spaces that feel larger and more connected to the outdoors. Additionally, the larger glass panes offer unobstructed views, making them ideal for homes with beautiful landscapes or patios. Aluminum windows are also highly customizable. They come in a variety of colors, finishes, and styles, allowing you to match your windows to your home's architectural design or interior decor. With powder-coated finishes, aluminum windows can resist fading and peeling, ensuring that your windows look great for years to come. Low maintenance. One of the greatest advantages of aluminum windows for Mesa homeowners is their low maintenance. Aluminum is naturally resistant to rust, corrosion, and damage from pests, meaning you won't have to worry about the frequent upkeep that comes with other materials like wood. Aluminum frames are also easy to clean and require little more than regular washing to maintain their appearance. Since aluminum does not warp or swell, you won't need to worry about repainting or refinishing your windows, saving you both time and money in the long run. Increased security. Aluminum windows offer enhanced security compared to other window materials. Their robust construction makes them difficult to break or tamper with, providing an additional layer of protection for your home. Many aluminum windows come with advanced locking systems that further improve your home's security. In Mesa, where home security is a priority for many homeowners, installing durable aluminum windows can help provide peace of mind. Whether you're home or away, aluminum windows offer strong, reliable protection against intruders. Eco-friendly option. If you're looking for an environmentally friendly option, aluminum windows are an excellent choice. Aluminum is 100% recyclable, meaning that the material can be reused and repurposed at the end of its lifespan without losing quality. Many aluminum window manufacturers use recycled aluminum in their products, making it a sustainable option for homeowners looking to reduce their environmental impact. By choosing energy-efficient aluminum windows, you'll also be helping to reduce your home's overall energy consumption, which contributes to a lower carbon footprint. Aluminum window installation offers a wide range of benefits for Mesa homeowners, from superior durability and energy efficiency to modern aesthetics and increased security. In Mesa's hot, desert climate, The strength and weather resistance of aluminum make it an ideal choice for long-lasting, low-maintenance windows. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's energy performance, improve its appearance, or increase its security, aluminum windows are a smart investment that can provide lasting value for years to come. By choosing aluminum windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable, stylish, and energy-efficient home that's perfectly suited for Mesa's unique climate.